Today we review 2025 Audi Q7. Let's go to video.
The latest update to the Audi Q7, while not a complete overhaul, introduces several notable changes. Audi has enhanced the lighting system of the Q7, marking a first for the model. The new system includes a laser diode for each headlight, which activates at speeds above 43 miles per hour, in conjunction with the high beams, significantly extending the range of the high beam lights. The entry-level Q7 now comes with added features such as contrast stitching, 19-inch wheels, a gloss package that includes aluminum roof rails, and a rear-view camera with parking assistance. Powertrain options are familiar, with a 3.0-liter diesel engine available in two power levels, 228 or 282 horsepower for European customers, alongside a 335 horsepower gas V6 and a 500 horsepower 4.0-liter V8 in the SQ7 variant. The SQ7 also features distinctive black trim, oval exhaust tips, a front chin spoiler, and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. European customers can look forward to the 2024 model with a starting price of €79,300. It's expected that the model will be designated as the 2025 year model once it becomes available in the United States.